Hello, everyone, and I'm coming to you with a way, I believe this is legitimate, a way for you to recover your lost TRX in Troncase 1.0. So there is a form that has been circulating that is supposed to basically give you the difference between what you invested and what you actually were able to get out of the contract. So I don't know if it's 100% of the difference or a percentage of the difference. But anyway, I'll have the link to the form in the description. But let's just go over the form right now. It's a help request form for Troncase 1.0. The instructions say that all the information that you put much must match your Troncase 1.0 account exactly. Um, Only one request per account. So if you have one wallet, don't keep submitting. So that might delay any chance of you recouping any TRX. And it says the request must be made by July 31st. So we're well ahead of that. If you had more than one account, then um, list each account separately. So you're going to put your name, your email address, the country that you're from. And in our case, well, most people that follow this channel, in that case, it's going to be United States. And so you can see I started filling out the form. So amount deposited 5,800, total withdrawn, and then you're going to subtract and then put the amount that you request. If you tried to make a withdrawal and it processed on the contract face but didn't actually execute, you'll want to put that in there. But this is the important part. You're going to go back to Troncase 1.0 to your personal wallet. You're going to take a screenshot. So if you're on your cell phone, you just want to make sure the amount deposited and the amount withdrawn is very much in view. And it'll be a good idea to have the beginning part of your um, referral ID showing so that it also matches the wallet address that you're showing in your picture. So this is just the example. It's right there on the screen. You're gonna upload your screenshot, put any notes that you want to, but please don't use that as an opportunity to gripe or do anything to say, they started off as a scam or it was a rug pull or something like that. Don't shoot yourself in the foot and have your application be bypassed by going on a rant. Just put some facts down. Um, this is where you would put, even though my screenshot shows that there's only a 2,000 TRX difference, I did try to withdraw on whatever date. Um, it said I received 500 TRX into my wallet, and it didn't. There was nothing in my wallet. Um, it also gives a small disclosure at the bottom saying that everything is pending account verification. So they're not giving you any idea of when the refund would be processed, but as long as it's before July 31st, if someone out there is being generous or the collective has gotten together to make this happen, let's take this as a W. It'll be a win for everyone. So if you know anyone that has actually lost TRX in Troncase 1.0, please share the video. It'll be on the YouTube channel, of course, on the Facebook page, and also on Instagram. So like and share with everyone, and